In this tutorial video, we will see how to connect the RoutBot CNC graphical user interface software with the CNC controller computer. The first step is to boot the CNC controller computer PC with the RoutBot boot CD or the RoutBot 3.5 floppy boot drive. Then you connect to COM port 1 or RS-232 COM 1 the null modem cable on the CNC controller PC. The other end of the null modem cable you connect it to the graphical user interface computer. You can connect it to either COM1 or COM2. In our case, we do not have a COM port on this computer that we have installed the graphical user interface on. We only have a USB port, and this is the case of most modern computer. In this case, we need to use a USB to RS-232 converter. We connect the USB end on the graphical user interface computer, and the RS-232 end we connect it to the null modem cable. Now, if you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, Windows will automatically install the USB converter as soon as you plug it in a USB port. But if you're using Windows XP, you will have to manually install the driver. And this is quite easy. You can go to COM USB and it will show you a procedure on how to install the driver. In our case, we are using Windows 7, and Windows has already automatically installed the USB driver for the converter. So there is nothing to do. The only thing we need to tell RoutBot CNC on which COM port Windows has installed the driver. And it is quite easy to find out on which COM port. We simply go to the control panel. Then we go to hardware and sound, and finally we go to device manager. Now this is the device manager for this particular computer running Windows 7, and we simply go to port COM LPT. We click on it, and now we can see where Windows has installed the driver for the USB converter. It has installed the driver on COM4. Now we need to tell RoutBot CNC that to use COM4 for the USB connection. So we go back to RoutBot CNC and we go to COM USB and setup, and we make sure that COM4 is checked. Then we click on apply and save. Now we are ready to connect to our CNC controller. In our case, our CNC controller has been booted, it's online, and all the cables are connected, the null modem cable and the USB to RS-232 converter, everything is connected. So we simply click on connect USB. Now we get a warning message. It tells us you must wait until the CNC controller PC has restarted before connecting to it. Check to see if the controller PC has finished restarting, then click OK. This is simply to make sure that your CNC controller has booted, all your cables are connected, and it is ready to go. In our case, we've done all that, so we simply click OK. Now we can see the progress bar going up and finishing. This means that RoutBot CNC has established successful communication with the CNC controller. Now, to complete the connection, we must input our license number. To obtain the license number, we go to the website www.routcat.com/english/license.html and we enter our user number, our first name, last name. We also enter our controller ID, which the license will be unique for that computer. Then it will return a license number to us. We enter the license number where it says controller license over here, and we click on apply license. Then the process of connecting to the CNC controller will be completed.